Hey, another episode or another update, as you would call it, on the car. I did the fender and the door over there on the passenger side. I know some people's been watching that. I greatly appreciate it. And I did have a little spot on the fender over there that I said I might fix because I didn't really understand what happened to it. And I'll show it to you. Switch this sucker. If you guys remember that it had a big gap here. So, and it's a different colored primer. I thought I bought the same. I'm not too worried about it, but I thought I bought the same primer as I did, and I didn't. So it's a little off color. I'll find it again. I think it's at Harbor Freight. I'm pretty sure, but remember that gap? Well, I bondoed it up and smoothed it all out. Got it all nice. Yeah. Now the gap's not as big right through here because it was, I think, coming out way out here like this. Coming up like that. I did fix that. So everything's good. Getting tight. I did get the hood on. I don't think anybody's ever, you guys ever seen it with the hood on. There it is. I did. I know some people might not like these, but I'm telling you, I readjusted these. I'm still going to have to do it again because that one feels kind of loose, but you can see here also that one needs to be dropped. So I'm thinking about taking these back off down here and dropping them down on this side 1/4 of an inch, maybe even 1/8, because I got so much adjustments on the screws on the inside. I could do that because I want to get this tucked down a little bit, get it down about here. I don't know if I have to add another one over here to get that to come down, because if I hold it down then it goes almost perfect, but I'll see. But I'm gonna get that redone. There was 4 here, get all taken care of. I don't think you guys ever seen with the trunk lid on either. And there's the trunk lid. Now you guys were wondering about this here, the plexiglass. I'm wanting to reorder, not plexiglass, but Lexan. I'm wanting to get a piece reordered for this with dark tint, because it's hotter than shit in the summer. Whew, so I can get that reordered. I got it over on the shelf. So see. Another thing I want to go over too, and here's the back piece that I had. There's that one. That's my back. There it is. Sucking gas and hauling ass. Another thing is, back in here, I went to start it up because I was going to make a video of it pulling out of the garage before the snow hit. So the snow's already came, you know, and I was going to pull it out yesterday. And if you guys ever seen my other video when I installed this switches in here, they were hooked up to where they started, but over here on the shifter there's a neutral safety switch. It's mounted in down there, and I always forget to bring a damn light. I'll get back, I'll show it to you. But when you're at the drag strip, you know, they go over these things, and you got to have a neutral safety switch on these things. So, anyway, mine is right there. This right here. So, you have 2 wires, these 2 right here, coming in to it. One is 12 volt coming from your 12 volt power supply hooked in. The other wire goes out, goes to your ignition switch. I had it hooked to the ignition side, so it only allows the car to start in park and neutral. What it does is, if you have it in reverse or drive, it shuts at 24 volts, or not 24 volts, 12 volts off to the switch. So when I went back to put it in reverse, it killed out the 12 volts, which would kill the ignition side out, and it kept killing the car. So it took me a while to figure it out, but I knew it was a neutral safety switch right out the gate. But I didn't know how I had it wired, so traced the wires down. Now I got it fixed, so everything's good. So of course I got the power off on the back. So got that problem figured out, and I was gonna pull it out yesterday and couldn't because of neutral safety switch. So I got that done. But now I can't pull it out because there's snow out there. But there's other things, I guess, to work on. I did fire it up yesterday. Put it in gear, doesn't die. Good to go. So that is a problem. So it's all done. It just took me a minute to figure it out. Like I said, I knew it was a neutral safety switch causing the problem. Getting out of the car, kind of hard for a fat guy like me to get out. That's all the updates. I'll have some videos. I just wanted to put something a little short and sweet out. Haven't done it in like 6 days. I work during the winter. I work 6 days a week, so it's kind of hard for me to get back out here on this. So I'm doing what I can. This is the only content that I have. So sorry guys, you get tired of seeing it. It's the only thing I got so far. I mean, I got other things, but I need another garage. I need a bigger garage to get it over. But still, stay with me. And we're out. Appreciate it.